Hello, testing. Okay, I think yes, we are back online. So yeah, welcome back to the weekly webinar that I have, and this is basically if you are new here, basically what I will do here is to share with you people. Maybe you would like to follow me on trading view and things like that, or you happen to just chance upon my streaming, and then yeah, you can take a look and see what I do feel about the market, or basically what I think about the analysis for the week to come. Okay, so without further ado, I think we can continue on, and basically I do follow a standard way of sharing what I will be sharing here, and that's to start with the US dollar, because US dollar, we know that as of today, as of now, is still the major or dominant currency that everyone is trading on or uses it on a day-to-day basis. So in terms of volume, in terms of everything, it does affect the forex market in a very significant way, and also affecting the um, index. I mean the stock market, right? Yeah. So looking at the US dollar, I would say, like I mentioned the other time, it has been pretty weak. So as you do see that the trend is down. On the downside, you have higher, I mean lower high. The every characteristic of the uh, downtrend for on the daily time frame since the start of October of last year, right? So yeah, pretty much it start to consolidate a bit on the side for the last month of December, and till now it's still, yeah, pretty much in a sideways movement. And yeah, if you were to trade this as in US dollar or USD pair, mainly you might be um, doing much better off if you are a, let's say, a range trader, where you buy low, sell high, and stuff like that. So yeah, in the range environment for the USD, it seems that for the past month it hasn't have any clear direction where you want to go on the higher time frame, which is your daily. And if you were to look at the 4 hourly, pretty much the same, where this level of support is still holding, or as of last week, and it went up all the way, having some high lows, but it's still trapped within this higher time frame range zone. So after the non-farm payroll on Friday, it actually went down, and let's see if this is able to hold up as a support. If not, likelihood, like you see on the daily time frame, actually, yep, this is also a support area. So yep, if let's say this is strong enough to push down, or rather, let's say the non-farm payroll is a determinant for the USD to go weaker, you will see sell off, or let's say push downward. And let's say if there's a pullback on a lower time frame, yeah, that will probably be your entry to actually short the USD. Meaning to say that, yeah, you can take a look at, let's say, maybe euro dollar or pound dollar, for you to actually go on long in that case. So yeah, as a whole, if I were to look at the currency across, as in the major currency against the USD, right? I would say that I would be more biased in terms of like um, going on long, say against the dollar, maybe US dollar CAD, or let's say Aussies dollar, I mean Aussies USD, and maybe also New Zealand. So basically, the commodity currency, I felt is it seems stronger as compared to the normal. I mean, like euro or the pound dollar. That's what I see on the D1 daily time frame, and also the 4 hourly. Okay, so that is that. Yeah, I think until unless if you are a trend trader lah, until unless you see some clearer picture from the US dollar, then if not, most probably, yeah, like say if you are a trend trader, maybe you would like to sidestep yourself, look at some other pair instead of yeah, focusing on the range trading, which you might not be comfortable trading on. So yeah, I mean, of course, different trader has different a forte. That means things that they are good at. Some are good at trading the trend. Some is actually good at finding the range bound market and trade according to the range that is given, right? So yeah, they depending on yourself. So next one actually I wanted to share with you all is in terms of the other pair. I mean the other crosses. So the cross that I have mentioned earlier last week is that actually I was looking at Euro Aussies to actually hold on to this level. So this level around 1.56, yeah, which is a good or decent support for it to hold in order for it to go up. I mean, go up as in to continue its upward movement, but seems like the things actually changes over the week, and also I did um, look at the pair itself. So if you were to just trace back to what it has done over the week. Let's start on let's say Tuesday, so because Monday I also didn't really go on any trade because it is like half a day, and also most of the market, or in fact all the market closed because of the new year and things like that. So yeah, Monday isn't that much of a thing to look at, but if you would see Tuesday and Wednesday, things start to get a bit more bearish, where on Wednesday itself the Euro Aussies actually went down quite a bit in terms of like breaking through the support that I have anticipated for it to hold on before me looking for any long to go on. So yeah, breaking the support there isn't that a good sign for the bull on the higher time frame. So yeah, for myself, I'm actually slightly bias on it to go lower, because looking at things, it is tending to go on a going down further if this thing is to be more bearish. So yeah, looking at the H4, I am looking for pullbacks like instant. For instance, over here you have pullbacks that you can go on short on the lower time frame, and yeah, for the next week to come. Okay, this is I think something that I drew last week. So yeah, this isn't the template that I use for my usual day-to-day trading analysis, but rather for the sharing. So yeah, and in any case, this is the H4 downtrend that we are looking at. So I would, yeah, I will be more biased to wait for this Euro Aussies to come back, or rather pull back, or if there's some breakout on the lower time frame that I can actually go on short, I will do so on that basis. And then also, of course, for the pound Aussies is rather similar. So yeah, if you were to draw a trend line over here, and mark out some of this support resistance level. So last week it actually went up, retest, and it came down. So yep, pretty much on a lower time frame, what I will do is, of course, to actually remain bearish. So, and any opportunity for me to short, I will do so on this power Aussies pair. So that's on this both Euro Aussies and pound Aussies. So that also a bit in line with what I actually feel about the major currency against USD, where I mentioned that commodity currency is like I would say it's more stronger compared to the usual like pound and euro. Okay, so yeah, if you were to compare side by side, of course, if you want to know which is stronger, Aussies or New Zealand, which it also brings me go on to this chart of Aussies dollar New Zealand, which is the next chart that I wanted to share with you all in a bit more detail, which is yeah, or Aussies dollar New Zealand. So Aussies dollar New Zealand, if we were to do a top down analysis, uh, give me a while. I think it's stuck here. Okay, just 1 minute. I don't know why it's not okay. It's coming back. Okay, so yeah, going back to the Aussie dollar New Zealand, we do see that it has lower high for quite a long time, but like I mentioned the other way, you do see there's a significant change in the direction or the sentiment of this pair Aussie dollar New Zealand. So you have a change which I won't go on elaborating on it. Basically, there's a change in the downtrend to the uptrend, and yep, you can see on for this dot there. Hold on. So last week I was saying that if it will be able to actually hold on to this level, it does have the potential to actually go on higher, and it did. I mean, it seems that it did break out, and things went well. If you are going to, I mean, if you have went on going on long, and I mean, if let's say last week it didn't have the strength to actually move up further, it might continue downward. So pretty much, I think this is redundant already, and it went up higher. So now on, I would foresee that the pair should be heading. I will have more bias on it heading upwards more than going down. But of course, right now, if you were to go on the lower time frame, you do see that the if you want me to yeah, you do see that the, the trend or let's say the bias tend to be a little bit it can be a triangle or but in any case this is just a consolidation to begin with. Okay, so on the 1 hourly, yep, this is the range, so you can mark up your range if it's going to go up higher or it's going to break out from here, then yep, there might be more correction downwards to this level or to this level. Yep, nobody knows. So yeah, it can be going down to here, or it can oh yeah, it can also be going down further, right? Correct, down further. So yeah, right now, I mean, if let's say you are a range trader, maybe you would like to play this range, but it is pretty much a very tight range for you to play on range with, and especially so for a Aussie New Zealand, it I mean I don't go down too uh, onto a lower time frame, because scalping on this, one thing is that the spread tend to be a little bit wide, and if you are using those broker, I mean those mainstream broker, the street spread might be even lousier. So from what I see, it has ranged between 2 to 3 pip, and yeah, I mean minusing off the commission, minusing off your spread, the range might not be. I mean, it's totally up to the individual trader, but yeah, it might not be that fruitful for you to just play along with the range, but rather maybe you would like to wait for the range to break out, or yeah, or to rather show you a more significant a movement before you actually went on the approach to go on long or short. For example, over here, if last week you were to be observing the Aussies New Zealand to break out of this consolidation, because I was saying that if it were to hold here, and then let's say if it going to break out over here, this breakout candle will be the one that you can enter to go on long, yeah, rather than playing within this range that it might go on forever, or yeah, go on for a very long time. So yeah, on a low time frame, this is what you should be looking at, waiting for it to play out, and then I mean that would be rather my style to wait for breakout, for things to confirm before you go on trading this pair. So yeah, this is my analysis, either going to go up, or it might correct further downwards. I mean, nobody know for sure what will happen, but yeah, we need to anticipate the movement from the market, so that yeah, we can be a better trader in that way, not to have too skilled a mindset, or too skilled a bias that okay, for sure this thing is going to go down, or for sure this thing is going to go up. So yeah, we need to have a counter or a contingency plan. We should have a bias, like okay, it should be going up, but if not, yeah, if not, what will happen? Something like, if let's say you're a coder, you always will be using a scenario based to help you code, like if this thing happen, then what will I do? If that thing happen, what will I do, if at all? Yeah. Okay, so these are the pair that I would be looking at, or rather focus on. Then some other pair that I will be looking at, maybe on the Canadian Swiss franc, yep, downtrend, quite predominant one on the daily time frame. But this one I would watch on the fence first. I mean, like yeah, watch for any anything for me to go on long for this currency pair. So yeah, I do see there is a potential for it to go on, to change in the direction on the higher time frame. So yeah, if you were to look at 4 hourly, then you can wait for it to break out on the hour 4 hourly basis, and then if there's a pullback for you to go on long, that would be great. So yeah, this is a pair that you can monitor as well, for it to yeah, turn on a higher time frame, and then following on the trend on the lower time frame. So yeah, if you were into pattern trading, this is actually a double bottom in the forming. So yep, that is that. So I do also share on my trading idea, like this US dollar yen, and you can go on to take a look. And basically my bias on this is um, I would say yen to continue strengthening. That means I should be looking for shorts on this US dollar yen for on the lower time frame. So daily time frame, this is on the downside, and yep, on the 4 hourly, 1 hourly, go on to a lower time frame to look for short. That would be my bias on US dollar yen, and let's say euro pound, euro yen, and also Swiss franc yen. Okay, so yeah, pretty much that is what I wanted to share across with y'all for this week, and hope that you all find it informative, or rather useful for you. And if let's say you were to I mean, if you like this analysis that I share, do like and do share with your friend. If you do have a trading buddy that you felt that they might also benefit from this sharing as well. So yeah, I think that that's all I wanted to share, and thank you very much for your time, and we'll see each other again next week. Thank you.